Okay, it's a Sunday. Here's another vlog. So I was driving, and I found one of these Tesla chargers. So I decided to charge up my vehicle. Oh, I love this vehicle. But I'm going to have to say that getting the black was not necessarily the best choice. This car, you look at it, it scratches. You turn your head, it scratches. You could put one hand up, it scratches. You blow in the wind, it scratches. It's a scratch magnet. Tesla, please do something about the black paint. Either find another source, find a better quality paint, or multi-coat the black paint. Because this is, if I knew this, I don't know if I would have changed the color. But luckily, I'm getting my car wrapped, and it's going to be awesome. Today, we're going to be installing the floor mats, and we're going to see how that goes. Another daily vlog. I'm just starting out. I just picked up the vehicle. I love it. I see with Tesla and their vehicles, you really have to think about something that it does wrong. Like, you have to convince yourself that there's something wrong. Because this car's perfect. Like, you try to doubt this car, and you're not going to find much things you can think about to doubt about this car. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. I suggest each and one of you go get one. It's an amazing car. Such an amazing car. It's charging right now. I got the standard range plus. Oh, it's a beauty. It's a beauty. It's a beauty. Got the tires all waxed up. Man, I love it. I really, really love it. And I can't wait to go on more adventures. Take it to different places I've never been before. And test out different charging styles and different charging limits. Okay. All right. Another video. Okay, guys, this is the first modification. I'm about to open up the box of the first modification to my brand new Tesla Model 3. As you can see over there, I got a whole bunch of boxes of accessories that I purchased relating to my Model 3. And yeah, let's see what's going on. I ordered the front and trunk mats. All right, quality feels pretty good. These are the front and trunk mats for the Model 3. Looks like some leather. All right, so let's go and install this.